Look at it. Steam the pork for a bit. Once it's out of the steamer, you've got yourself a delicious home-cooked dish. Many people have never seen or tasted this before. First, use a piece of pork shoulder around 11 gin, about 5.5 kg. Cut it into chunks. Pour in half a bottle of beer and let it soak for 5 minutes to tenderize the meat. Then add some green onions and ginger, a spoonful of salt and a spoonful of pepper, half a spoon of soy sauce, half an egg white, a pinch of starch. Mix everything well by hand. Let it marinate for 20 minutes. Once the water boils, steam on high heat for 8 minutes. When the oil is hot, add the steamed pork. Sauté over medium-low heat until the surface turns golden and slightly crispy. Uncles, aunties, brothers, and sisters, making videos isn't easy. If you think I've been helpful, feel free to give me a like. Thank you very much. Now, add this restaurant-style salt and pepper seasoning. Finally, stir-fry on high heat for a few seconds to let the flavors blend, and it's ready. This salt and pepper pork is crispy on the outside and tender inside. Serve with some lettuce to cut the richness. It's way better than grilled skewers you get outside. If you like it, follow me and save this recipe.